Hi guys, would like to talk to you about an exercise, or let's work together on an exercise for grouping. On Moodle you will find here a grouping exercise, creating a group exercise. I added it just after the hierarchy exercise in fact, but in any case I thought if I give you this folder, or this file, sorry, this Tableau workbook to be very precise, with a different database here and with the tree map already created for you, and all what you need to do is to create different grouping, you should be fine. All right, so I thought we still can tackle this exercise because I already created the tree map for you. I'm going to talk a little bit more about the tree maps later, but this is, as you can see, it's a dashboard, and we can work with this visualization to create different grouping. So let's go back to that exercise and see what was the exercise about. You want to quickly compare the income of two separate country groups to determine if tourism is similar based on the size of the tree map here, coloring or items. So first of all, you need to create a group with Spain, France, and Germany to compare it with the United States. So you need to create it within this group so that it will look something like this. So you need to create a group in the tree map that contains Spain, France, and Germany, and then group all these dimensions together. So this is Spain, France, sorry, this is Spain, France, Germany, and we can just group them together either by right-click, right-click a group all dimensions. So we have Spain, France, and Germany. But you want to compare this. This is the first step, but in fact, the question is to create also a group with the United States. So you want to create a second group of a single mark called the United States. So here's the United States. Group it on its own. So group this alone. And now let's take a look what happens. So this is now we can have one group here of Spain, France, and Germany. This is an exercise on how to create a grouping with the data marks, or the marks in the view. And this is a group with one single item called the United States. And this is also in gray, the other. Now, what's the questions that you have to answer? So this is something like partial view of what you should be getting, and this is what you should be getting. But this, my view is different here. Compare the general size of the two groups that you created. How do they compare? What do you think? How do they compare? Almost similar, aren't they? So the two groups are roughly the same size. This should be your answer, the correct answer. Over here, how many groups are displayed in the view? First time we created two groups. The one that has all the European countries and the other. The second one has the United States and the other. The other is one group, it's in gray. And then we have here France in blue, and here United States in orange. So the correct answer will be 3, guys, not 4. Yeah, will be 3, not 4. It's very important to know that I wanted to show you when I told you about the different groups in the same element. I wanted to show you how the other is going to be the same after whenever you're using all the groups together, but I couldn't show it to you in that video. But here, the tree map show you, let's just take the tree map here, easily shows you through the coloring that we have 3 different groups. Yeah. Okay, so this is the exercise for the grouping, and I already and I'm going to talk to you now about an exercise for, in the next video, I'm going to talk to you about a hierarchy, and then we can also tackle hierarchy exercise, a similar exercise with hierarchy with some questions to practice for the quiz. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video.